Imagine a future where a compound found in strawberries could not only extend your lifespan, but also significantly improve your health. This may sound like a dream, but it's a reality that scientists are actively exploring. Fisetin, a flavonoid found in strawberries, has the potential to revolutionize our approach to aging. Today, we're delving into the world of Fisetin, its promises, pitfalls, and the latest research that's reshaping the field of longevity science. Fisetin, a flavonoid, is part of a family of naturally occurring pigments known as polyphenols. These compounds, found in various fruits and vegetables, are associated with numerous health benefits. What sets Fisetin apart is its unique potential as a senolytic agent, a compound that can selectively eliminate senescent cells. This property of Fisetin is what makes it a fascinating subject of research and a potential game changer in the field of aging. Before diving into the science, let's discuss where you can find Fisetin in your diet. The highest concentration is found in strawberries, with about 160 milligrams per gram. Other sources include apples, persimmons, onions, grapes, and cucumbers. While strawberries are the richest source, you'd need to eat over 3 pounds of them to get a therapeutic dose of 250 milligrams. Don't worry, we'll discuss supplementation later in the video. To understand why Fisetin generates so much excitement, we need to grasp the concept of cellular senescence. As we age, our bodies accumulate senescent cells, old cells that have stopped dividing but haven't died off. These zombie-like cells can cause problems by releasing inflammatory compounds, contributing to what scientists call inflammaging, a chronic, low-grade inflammation that is a hallmark of aging and is associated with many age-related diseases. The first description of this phenomenon dates back to the 1960s, when Hayflick and Moorhead observed that human fibroblasts in a culture can only achieve a maximum number of cell divisions before they stop growing. This biological clock is known as the Hayflick limit, caused by the progressive shortening of telomeres upon each cell division. It represents a physiological response to prevent genomic instability and stop the accumulation of DNA damage. Interestingly, senescence isn't all bad. It is critical in preventing tumor growth and development, making it a potent anti-tumor mechanism. Senescent cells are also crucial for wound healing. This is why we don't necessarily want to stop our cells from becoming senescent, but rather manage their accumulation over time. The idea behind Senolytics, like Fisetin, is to clear away problematic senescent cells, potentially improving organ function and overall health. This concept has led to a whole field of research focused on molecules that can flip the switch and encourage the clearance of these old senescent cells. In 2018, a landmark paper published in eBiomedicine compared various compounds for their senolytic properties. Surprisingly, Fisetin emerged as the most potent senolytic among the tested molecules. This study, conducted on inbred mice, showed that Fisetin extended both median and maximum lifespan. But Fisetin's potential benefits continue beyond its senolytic properties. Animal studies have demonstrated Fisetin's ability to restore blood sugar levels in diabetic rats and mice. It may help neutralize free radicals and increase antioxidant levels in the body. Some research suggests Fisetin protects brain cells and improves memory. Preliminary studies indicate possible protective effects on heart health. Fisetin has even shown potential in reducing the risk of various cancers, including lung, colon, prostate, pancreatic, and melanomas. These diverse potential benefits make Fisetin an exciting area of research in the field of longevity and health. With all these potential benefits, it's no wonder that the hype around Fisetin has been building. However, as with any promising scientific compound, it's crucial to consider the most recent and comprehensive research before concluding. This brings us to the latest study conducted by the Interventions Testing Program. This research used genetically diverse mice and was conducted simultaneously in 3 separate labs to ensure reproducibility. The study explored 2 dosing protocols: continuous administration and a hit-and-run method, 3 days every 2 weeks. Surprisingly, the results differed significantly from earlier studies. The researchers found no substantial difference in senescent cell numbers in the liver, kidney, or brain between the Fisetin-treated and control groups. Even more disappointingly, unlike the earlier mouse study, this more extensive research did not observe any impact on lifespan with either dosing protocol. These findings highlight the importance of robust, large-scale studies in scientific research. The discrepancy between this study and earlier ones could be attributed to the more significant number of mice used, over 30 times more, and the genetic diversity of the mice. However, it's important to note that this study, like all scientific research, has its limitations. The results may not directly translate to human benefits, and more research is needed to fully understand the potential of Fisetin in promoting healthy aging. So, what does this mean for the future of Fisetin research? While these results seem disheartening, they represent an essential step in the scientific process. Initial findings sometimes translate to something other than human benefits, especially in animal studies. This is why conducting more extensive, comprehensive studies is crucial before drawing definitive conclusions. Human research on Fisetin is still limited. While there have been a few small studies on Senolytics in general, most have yet to be randomized controlled trials, making it difficult to draw definitive conclusions. For example, a 2019 study used a combination of dasatinib and quercetin, both Senolytics, in an open-label pilot study. The headline finding was that this combination reduced the senescent cell burden within 11 days. Another study published the same year gave dasatinib and quercetin to patients with idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis, finding that these patients could walk further and faster after the senolytic treatment. However, neither of these studies were randomized control trials, so it's tough to know if the senolytics were causing these effects or something else. There was no comparison group. The only human randomized control trial that could be found was published in 2018. It included 37 patients with colorectal cancer, and the only statistically significant difference that was found was a slight decrease in one inflammation marker. Given these mixed results, you might wonder whether you should consider taking Fisetin supplements. At this point, it's difficult to recommend them. The evidence from animal studies is mixed, and human studies are limited and inconclusive. Instead of spending money on Fisetin supplements, focusing on proven strategies for healthy aging might be more beneficial. These include maintaining a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, which naturally provide Fisetin and other beneficial compounds, regular exercise, ensuring adequate sleep, and managing stress effectively. By focusing on these proven strategies for healthy aging, you can take control of your health and potentially mitigate some effects of aging. But keep hope. The field of senolytics and aging research remains exciting and full of potential. Researchers are now focusing on identifying specific types of senescent cells that contribute to tissue dysfunction and aging. The goal is to develop targeted therapies to remove harmful senescent cells while preserving beneficial ones. This approach could lead to more effective interventions for age-related conditions and extend the health span, the period of life spent in good health. As we unravel the mysteries of aging, we may discover new ways to extend our health span and improve our quality of life. The story of Fisetin serves as an essential reminder of the scientific process. It shows us how initial excitement about a compound can sometimes outpace the scientific evidence. But it also demonstrates the importance of continued research and the self-correcting nature of science. While we may not be popping Fisetin pills anytime soon, the research surrounding this compound has opened up new avenues of investigation in aging and longevity. It's pushed scientists to look more closely at the role of senescent cells in the aging process and how we can manage them for better health outcomes. Moreover, the Fisetin story highlights the complexity of aging and the challenges in developing interventions to slow or reverse its effects. It reminds us that there are no simple solutions or miracle pills when it comes to health and longevity. Instead, it reinforces the importance of a holistic approach to health, one that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, good sleep habits, and stress management. As we wrap up our exploration of Fisetin, it's worth reflecting on what this journey teaches us about science and health. First, it shows us the importance of staying calm about early results, especially those from animal studies. While these studies are crucial for advancing our understanding, they sometimes translate directly to something other than human health. Second, it underscores the value of extensive, well-designed studies. The latest research on Fisetin, with its larger sample size and more diverse group of subjects, gives us a more accurate picture of the compound's effects. This is how science progresses, through rigorous testing and a willingness to revise our understanding based on new evidence. Third, it reminds us of the complexity of the human body and the aging process. While the idea of a single compound that could dramatically extend lifespan is appealing, the reality will likely be much more complex. Effective interventions for aging will probably involve multiple approaches targeting different aspects of the aging process. Finally, it highlights the ongoing nature of scientific research. While the latest Fisetin results may be disappointing, they don't represent the end of the story. Scientists will continue to study Fisetin and other potential senolytics, refining our understanding and finding new applications or combinations that could prove beneficial. So what's the takeaway for those interested in healthy aging? While it's exciting to follow the latest developments in longevity research, the most reliable path to a long and healthy life remains the tried and true basics. Eat a varied diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Stay physically active. Get enough sleep. Manage stress. Maintain strong social connections. These lifestyle factors have been consistently shown to promote health and longevity across numerous studies. They may not be as exciting as a potential miracle pill, but they're backed by solid evidence and have no adverse side effects. Plus, they come with many other benefits for physical and mental health. As we continue to follow the developing story of Fisetin and other potential anti-aging compounds, let's remember to approach new findings with excitement and skepticism. Stay curious and informed, but remain grounded in the well-established principles of healthy living. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Fisetin and Senolytics. If you found this information valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more evidence-based health content. Until next time, stay curious and stay healthy.